As you look at mopping using a standard mop and bucket, it appears to be simple until you start adding up the costs. You add in changing out mop heads, you add in the chemical you use to do your mopping, you add in especially the labor, the extra time it takes, and then you're left with a poor result. The floors never look as good. You're just spreading the dirt evenly around the floor. As soon as you start to investigate the Mopit, you'll see that things really look the way it's going to be attractive to you, because it cuts labor usually in most cases in half. Soap and parts, everything is included in the lease except for shipping and handling on parts and supplies. So when anybody does a hard comparison between using the old mop and bucket and the Mopit, it's an easy sell for us. They want to use the Mopit and get in the 21st century and make their floors look better.
We strive to make the most durable machine we can. And what drives this is whenever a machine goes down in the field, that cost comes out of our pocket. Because of that, we have a strong desire and we're incentivized to create the most reliable machine out there. We've been building Mopits for 15 years, and that's been our main focus for that time of period. And because of that, we have the most reliable machine on the market.
Everybody knows what it's like to make a phone call to a company about a piece of equipment and get an answering machine and cycle through tons of different prompts, and finally they get a live person. That doesn't happen with us. If it's in business hours, you'll get a live person right away. If it's after business hours, you push a button and it'll transfer you to one of our technicians that can help you get up and going right away. Our goal is to serve you the best we possibly can so that you can do what makes you money and serve your customers better. One of our big pushes is to get a Mopit in the hands of our customers. We know as soon as they start using a Mopit that they are going to love it. They're not going to want to be without it. It's always music to our ears when we hear that a customer has a need and wants it taken care of right away because they can't live without that machine. And one of the ways that we exemplify that and that we show our customers that they're going to love the product is we never bind them into a contract. We get it into their hands. It's always a month-to-month deal. If it's ever not working out for them, they can cancel. We don't want them to have the machine if it's not working like it should and not meeting and solving their problems, because that's our goal. And so we don't believe in locking customers in contracts. Absolutely not. As an employer, everybody knows one of the most dreaded tasks is mopping the floor. It's like pulling teeth to get your employees to mop the floor. Everybody hates it. But the Mopit is going to change that. And not only is it going to make employees like to do the floor cleaning, but it's going to do a far superior job, and it's going to improve the employee morale. They're not going to dread it anymore. When a spill happens, hey, we get to go grab the Mopit. Our customers are going to be impressed that we're high tech in our business establishment, and the floor's one and done. You're on your way and back to work again.